Hey everybody, this is BMX Boy coming at you with another bike check. So I got some new parts today, so I'm just going to do a bike check again. I got ODI bar ends, ODI grips, long neck grips, hollow bars, about 28 wide, 10, that's about it, 28 wide is all I know, 8 inches rise, fit Rasta stem, don't know, salt headset, fit forks, Alienation black sheep rim, fit FAF tire, tan wall, Mission front hub, got a custom kink frame, kink international. I just got these new pedals right here. I like them. Odyssey Twisted PCs in the clear green. I like them. We the People pranks without the tension bolts. Golden sprocket, don't know, because you always have to have a little gold on your bike, you know what I'm saying? Keep it real. And then I got, what should I call it? Colt chain. I'm going to change the seat, that's what I'm going to get next, and then I'm done with parts for a little bit. Oh, and I maybe change my back hub, because it's kind of hard with a free coaster. So, crappy seat. And then I got free coaster. So this is a custom bike. I spent about $700 on all of it. Because, you know, you have to be a man. You have to spend some money to make your own bike. So, spent about $700 on it. Oh, wait. And I got this tire right here. That is a Colt. I kind of like this one better than the tan wall. Even though this one's a tan wall, it just looks better because this one's darker. So I kind of like the darker better. Alienation black sheep rim in the back too. So yeah, Fox sticker. That's all you got. You always have to have one of those. That's about it. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Thanks, bye.